June 12th is the primary elections for our offices, for federal offices, the U.S. Senate, and for Congress. Not all offices are having primary elections, but we have a U.S. Senate race for the Republican primary, and we have a Republican primary for a congressional district in the 11th Congressional District, and we have a Democratic primary in the 8th Congressional District, all of which will occur on June 12th. In preparation for that, because the lines for the congressional districts have changed, the state board statewide sent voter registration cards, new cards, with the new information on the districts to all voters whose districts had changed, along with anyone who they had not yet sent a card to in the last 5 years. The second piece of that is basically to try and transition so that no one has a voter information card left that has a Social Security number on it. And so a handful of voters have gotten a card for that reason. But most voters who received a card actually received it because their congressional districts have changed. For every election, there's a number of things that have to be done to get ready to have the election. Now we're packing the kits that will go with the machines to make sure that our officers of election have all the supplies they need to be able to hold elections election day, and all the materials, the signs. And we've got a tremendous amount of training going on this year, because in addition to normal training, the state has now mandated that every 4 years that all officers of election in a locality be trained, reminding them things that they know, teaching them things that are changed, making sure they know how to use the new equipment.